Many important speech sounds, which enable us to tell one word from another, occur in the higher frequencies. The sibilants, or hissing sounds like S and SH and F, are all high-pitched sounds. As we take out these high frequencies, we can still hear speech sounds. In fact, we hear them almost as loud as normal speech, but we have much more trouble understanding the words we are hearing. In our first demonstration, we will filter out some of the higher frequencies in the voice range. It will sound much as it does to someone with a moderate high-frequency hearing loss. Here we go.
Number 1, I don't want to go to the movies tonight.
Number 2, put that cookie back in the box.
Number 3, how do you spell your name?
Number 4, this suit needs to go to the cleaners.
Number 5, where have you been all this time?
You probably had a little problem understanding what was said, although it still sounded reasonably clear and natural. Now we will repeat the same sentences, but this time we will take out even more of the high frequencies. You will have to listen even more carefully this time.
Number 1, I don't want to go to the movies tonight.
Number 2, put that cookie back in the box.
Number 3, how do you spell your name?
Number 4, this suit needs to go to the cleaners.
Number 5, where have you been all this time?
That was harder to follow, wasn't it? Now, once more. And this time, we are removing more frequencies so that we are simulating speech as it is heard by someone with a severe hearing loss. Or, in other words, someone with sensitivity to sound only in an extremely narrow range in the lower frequencies. You will find speech is now almost totally unintelligible. While many annoying sounds are made up of high frequencies, the problem in hearing speech may be due mainly to the presence of low-frequency sounds. If your hearing is best in the lower frequencies, the noise may tend to screen out speech. Once again, in the following passages, we are filtering out the higher frequencies in both the speech and the background noise. Notice how the speech is lost in the noise. During the early 1900s, the bustling city of Mobile, Alabama, was experiencing its first automobiles. Auto drivers were terrible. Hey! They demanded to drive as they pleased. Their only concern was for their destination and getting there as quickly and as precisely as possible. It was not uncommon to see an auto drive through someone's backyard or through a vacant lot just to get somewhere faster. Drivers commanded the roads as they pleased and at the speeds they pleased. Collisions were frequent, and damage to property was tremendous.
The city fathers of Mobile became very concerned. They tried countless safety precautions, all without the slightest success. If it hadn't been for random persons, a citizen of Mobile, the automobile problems would quite likely never have ended. And it all happened as a result of an unlikely string of events. Random Persons was a salesman. He had spent a long, hot, and tiring day making sales calls far to the south. As he drove home, his mind constantly wandered from his driving. As he neared the edge of the city, he recalled later, he hit a series of bumps that startled him. The next morning, Random called the county road crew to report those road bumps of the night before. When the road crew arrived at the section of road reported by Random, they beheld a curious sight and smell. There, in the exact center of the road, and exactly 5 feet apart, were a dozen white stripes. It didn't take the crew boss long to see that the stripes were skunks, which had been flattened and merged into the freshly oiled road. It looked as though a family of skunks had been partaking in a familiar game of follow the leader, strolling down the highway only to be flattened into the road surface by Random's unattentive driving. The city fathers were quick to see and smell the safety implications of the entire mishap. They were quick to observe that the white stripes divided the road and kept opposing traffic apart. The odor also kept everyone awake and moving along. The city fathers knew that they couldn't divide every road with skunks. Soon, skunks would become extinct. So they simply painted white stripes in the middle of all Mobile roads. And it worked. Soon, an entire nation followed the Mobile example, dividing roads with painted white lines.